Namaskar, good evening. You're watching Breaking Ground and I'm Swati Joshi. We have some breaking inputs coming in at the moment. This is what our sources are telling us. Our sources are telling us that the Election Commission team is currently at the Delhi residence of Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. Now, we are also given to understand that this could be in connection with the vehicle that was seized yesterday. Remember, that had cash and liquor along with our pamphlets inside the car. It had a Punjab registration plate on it with stickers as well. Priyank is getting us more details on that. The Election Commission team at Bhagwant Mann's residence in the national capital. What's happening, Priyank?
Yes, certainly, Swati, it's not now the source-based information. We have it here on camera where the ECI officials are here. You can see they have been talking to the Delhi police team and the Punjab police officials to have a word with the senior officials who are allowed to allow them to go inside. This is the Kapurthala house. In the visuals you can see this is a VVIP zone area where the Chief Minister of the Punjab, it's like a circuit house for him. Whenever he comes here, he stays here. Right now the ECI officials have been stopped outside. Sir, have you got permission to go inside? So certainly what they're saying that they are not allowed to talk to the media, but if you look at the vehicles, visuals, this is the Election Commission's vehicle with all those mounted cameras which is stationed outside. Not even that, Swati, you can see this is another ECI vehicle which is stationed outside, right outside the residence of the Chief Minister of Punjab, Mr. Bhagwant Mann. All these things have started once a Punjab registration bearing number plate vehicle was spotted outside the Punjab Bhavan, and it was alleged by the Bharatiya Janata Party that the vehicle belonged to Aam Aadmi Party, but because there were stickers, pamphlets related to the Aam Aadmi Party which were found at the location, falling to be which Ravneet Singh Bittu, the Union Minister, had given a complaint to the Election Commission, and there you can see in the visuals the ECI officials are right now talking to the senior rank officers. Let's check to the visuals because these are very important visuals which we are showing, where they have also told the officials to film every sequence which is happening here. So those people who are from the Election Commission have been recording this particular sequence. The Delhi police is also recording the sequence because they wanted to go inside, because the kind of allegations which has come up so far, it is very, very serious in nature. Right here at this Kapurthala house, you can see that the politics is being played out. I'm joined by Pulkit. Pulkit, बहुत ज़्यादा important हो जाता है. एक गाड़ी मिलती है पंजाब रजिस्ट्रेशन जो फर्जी नंबर प्लेट था, उसमें पैसे थे, शराब थी. ऐसा क्या हो सकता है कि बिना किसी सबूत के, बिना खुली गाड़ी को छोड़ करके कोई चला जाता है? कैश भी है, शराब भी है, झंडे भी हैं. आम आदमी पार्टी का क्या रिस्पॉन्स है?
देखिए, आम आदमी पार्टी ने इस पे आरोप लगाया है कि वो जो गाड़ी थी, पहले तो उसकी नंबर प्लेट फर्जी थी, दूसरा जो गाड़ी का रजिस्ट्रेशन था वो फोर्ड की कोई गाड़ी थी, लेकिन वहाँ हुंडई की गाड़ी दिखती है.
Well, in fact, Priyank, we are getting a reaction from the Aam Aadmi Party. Tetri is joined by Priyanka Kakkad. Yes, Tetri, over to you.
Well, yes, absolutely. What we are getting to know is that Election Commission team has reached to the residence of Chief Minister of Punjab, Bhagwant Mann. And let us take first an exclusive reaction from the Chief Spokesperson of Aam Aadmi Party, Priyanka Kakkad. Priyanka ji, Election Commission has reached the residence of Bhagwant Mann, who is currently campaigning in the national capital with Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi. Your first response to this?
I think they should be called the Election Commission is no longer even ostensibly pretending to be fair and impartial. ये इनको बता देना चाहिए कि ये भाजपा की एजेंसी है, साफ साफ बोलना चाहिए. Imagine the Election Commission could not see any illegality that was committed by the BJP candidates, but they've gone looking for one where there exists none. You saw, we all saw, the media conducted a sting how the BJP candidates were distributing cash for votes, asking for votes in the name of that cash. How the BJP leaders were distributing juta, chappal, chashma.
So while the BJP has alleged cash being transported in Punjab vehicles, the Aam Aadmi Party says it's the Bharatiya Janata Party behind this. And this is not just the only issue that has led to a massive face-off between the BJP and AAP ahead of Delhi polls. Let's focus